finals.
Finals game 1.
Finals game 1. Starting today. It's my 5th finals appearance. I have 5 finals appearances. And this is the first one, not against Ginebra. Another opportunity, another opponent. Excited to just go out there and play game 1. It's going to be a long series for sure, but we can do it. Just got to believe. Believe, baby. This conference was a roller coaster of a ride for us. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of goods and bads. Times where we didn't even think we were going to make it to the playoffs. And we stayed together and we continued to believe in what we're doing, and now we're in the finals. But I definitely feel like we deserve to be here. We earned it. Everybody works hard. So it's about time for us to get that championship from Meralco.
I knew that we're not going to relax in the final. We were the underdogs as well.
It's really, really crucial to be able to get that first game because that sets the tone for the rest of the series.
Yung journey namin from elimination, quarterfinals, semifinals, nung dumating kami ng final, sabi ko na ito na yung time namin.
It's like we're not gonna back down. Like you're gonna have to take it from us.
We change the pace of the game and to make them play not at the pace that they want, that we will have a chance.
Pre-game meals always hit different. Game 2. 1-0. Good opportunity to go up 2-0. But we know they're going to fight, so it's going to be a tough one. We're in a great position. Got to make the most of it, got to shoot well, got to play defense. Put everything into this game.
CJ fires a 3. Oh! He drains a 3!
Yung tira na yun, parang laglag balikat eh. Kasi syempre para sabi natin, atin na to, atin na to.
Marshall steps back for the lead. Oh! Marshall puts it up in the air.
Stole that one from us. But of course there was frustration, you know, letting any game slip. You never want to do that, especially one that you believe you should have won. You know, I think we were up 5 with like 19 seconds.
We knew that it wasn't going to be easy. Like if we wouldn't be up 2-0. We know that they would be like be coming back and give us really a hard time. So that made us more sharp, I think.
You know, it was a lapse on our end, but I didn't really see anyone like blame each other or like put their head down after that.
There are two ways to lose. People beat you and you beat yourselves. And I really felt like we beat ourselves. And all we focused on was adjusting. All our focus on was what we could do better. And I knew it. I knew it in the back of my mind that we get to execute properly, to run our thing, we'll be able to win. And I knew we let that go. So everybody was hungry to get it back.
It is Wednesday, June 12th, 2024. Happy Independence Day, Philippines. It is a holiday. It is the Independence Day for the Philippines, and we have finals game 4 today. It's going to be a battle. Hopefully there's going to be a lot of people there since it is a holiday, so the atmosphere is going to be definitely exciting. We're going to try to get this 3-1 lead. That'll be a big help for us, and we'll be one step closer to getting our first PBA Championship. Almost there. We got to stay locked in. That's why we're here.
And so we knew they were going to come out hungry and just ready to go and ready to fight. And in that game 4, for me, that was the real test, was that game 4 to really try to take advantage and get up 3-1 in the series. That's really hard to do. That puts the opposing team in a really tough situation because that's a tough hill to climb. Having to try to get 3 straight games in the finals, it's definitely been done before, but it's not easy to do. And actually the one team that has did it is the team that we're facing in the finals. So even if we were to go up 3-1, we know what the team is capable of. But for me, it's just getting to that position of being up 3-1 that can make all the difference. My mindset was that this is the most important game of the series that could really make or break, your championship experience or season. I think it was something that I just really had to go out and lead by example in that game. And I just came out with a lot of fire, a lot of energy right from the start, and just really wanted to show the team and everyone out there that I wanted that game 4. It took me, using every single ounce of energy that I had. I wanted to give that all in that game, just for us to be able to have that advantage and to get one step closer to getting that championship. though I was able to put up 40 points that game, it still wasn't enough. They did a really good job defensively on some of our other guys to make it hard for them to get their rhythm. You know, guys like Elaine, of course, like Cliff, CB. You know, they really made it tough for the whole team. But it's not a one-man show. You definitely need everybody there to pull it off. And you know, despite me having 40, a career high in the finals, you know, it wasn't enough. And for me, the win is definitely more important. And I would have been a lot more happier with the situation if we simply would have just got the win.
What's up, everyone? It is now 11:27, June 14, 2024. We are in the gym. We always stay in the gym. It's game day. We got finals, game 5 today. We dropped game 4. Tough loss. That's how a series goes, man. Just got to keep it pushing. Best of 3 now. Hopefully the guys come back to play. And we have a lot of energy today because that's going to be key for us. But it's the last stretch. And I feel like that ring is coming, man. We just got to stick with it and continue to believe.
Bongquito wants another one, and he will get it.
I think nung nasa finals tayo, lahat lock in talaga na parang even if we win one game, we don't celebrate it anymore. We're not happy anymore getting that one win. I think parang talagang we're all locked in. We're going to win that championship. We're going to win that trophy. Dun na lang kami magse-celebrate.
Just had the top of the key, only 5 to work with. Nuno to Elaine, has space for 3.
Every game at the end of the final quarter has always been crucial. Even if you're up 10, they would just easily come back and erase that lead. Parang walang komportableng lamang.
Meron tayong na nakapalulog natin sa series kasi lagi tayo natatalo sa series, diba? Parang yung get over the hump, ganun, diba? Sabi ko nga, yung journey natin sa finals was not easy.
Sunday, June 16, 2024. Just finished game 5. And less than 48 hours later, game 6. So here we are in game 6. Looking forward to it, 3-2. Got a good chance to close it out. Of course, San Miguel's do or die, so it's gonna be tough. They're gonna bring it for sure. But I know we're hungry over here, man. Right there on the brink of our first championship. And it's just going to be who comes to play today. But I feel like the guys are motivated. We know we can win. We just got to go out there and get it done.
Before we started the conference, Coach Nedon was like, you guys need to be gladiators. Enough with the showboat and enough with the hoorah. Like, you guys need to be gladiators. You know, we can't give them a chance to come back. Obviously, you tell yourself these things, but at the end of the day, you got to go and do it. I got off to a hot start in that game, and then I think we got a really good 15-point lead or something like that. But you know them, few shots, few possessions their way, they're right back in it, and that's what happened. They got right back in it.
Really excited to finally make it to the finals and just to show all the training that you've been through, everything led up to that moment. So it's really exciting.
This possession feels like an eternity for Meralco, and Bongquito rewards him with a 3.
Ayoko na mag game 7 kasi nga pagod na rin kami. Kumbaga, yung sa utak ko pag nag-game 7 pa, sabi ko, ito na siguro yun, matatalo na kami.
up in the finals, which we rarely had chances to. Of course, you want to win and win, and that's the mindset going into that game. But it felt good to actually have a safety net. Every game we went in, we had a set game plan. We knew what everybody was going to do. We were all on the same page. So just we're all like just one. It felt like nothing could beat us. We could only beat ourselves.
Working the clock a bit, and Yusuf gets free. So to Hodge again, or to Mo down to one. That's a tough shot, but he makes it anyway. Will milk the clock once again. Yusuf will try again. They go to Nunu, and Nunu scores! They turn to here. Oh, they need to let it go. They go to Jumar Fajardo. Jumar pulls up for three. Oh! Jumar Fajardo!
And then Jumar hit that shot, and I was just like, oh man, not again. I think everybody thought that,
Nag-flashback sa akin all of those past championships where we weren't able to win.
So I was like, man, what just happened? We had it.
I think my soul fly away.
At that point that Jumar hit the shot, it was a tie game and I knew we had a chance. The only thing that I knew we needed was just a good look. Coach drilled the play. I didn't even know if I was gonna really get open like that or anything. Because they could have just switched. They could have did a lot of other things to kind of.
Here we go. Banquero to Yusuf. Yusuf with a shot. And Yusuf scores!
I was able to plant both feet, jump up in the air, and find the rim, and just kind of let muscle memory do its thing.
It's like unbelievable that for once it wasn't somebody else hitting the game-winning shot against us, but it was us hitting the game-winning shot against them.
So nung time na na-shoot yung tira nino sa corner, hindi ako sumigaw, wala akong reaction. I mean, meron siguro, taas ako ng kamay. Pero me and Aaron Black, nagtinginan lang kami, parang araw-araw kasi namin nakikita, kaya parang hindi na ako na-surprise. So, ang mindset ko that time, meron pa kasing, I think, 2 seconds or 1.
Felt like, okay. And then actually, I didn't celebrate. I was like, I looked up, I said, oh, there is like 1 second. I was like, okay, lock in one more possession.
They turn to Jumar. Jumar needs to shoot, and Jumar doesn't get it, and Meralco win their first ever franchise title.
Meralco Bolts family, do you believe? I didn't hear you. Do you believe?